I like these. They're not turn over yet. They are not time. Let them cook. Oh, no, always. Oh, you got that one. Medium.
You got on high?
No. A little more than medium, a little less than high. Yeah. You don't want any on yours?
You got any food without?
No.
You got any onions?
Yeah, we don't put them here. The Joe already got onions on them.
No, I mean for the hamburger.
Yeah, I cut them cut up in the house.
Oh, you didn't dice them though, right?
Some of them are diced. Half are diced, half isn't. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, you're getting nice. Yeah, I'm getting nice.
Oh yeah.
That one the whole way. Turn them down. Daddy puts them on and wants to turn them like a minute after they're on.
Yeah.
It's a cook. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Yeah, put the whole way.
Yeah. Get the grease down there.
I don't know. You've seen on The Sopranos, it's supposed to flame up.
Yeah. Especially when I cook. And burn down the damn kitchen when I cook.
Oh, Anthony. Don't do any cooking when I'm out.
Why?
I'm looking sure you can get the puppies out.
Well, the flames aren't that high. They're like 2 or 3 feet.
I think this one's done.
Oh yeah. A little black. Just the way I like it.
These are done.
Oh yeah.
You like them burnt
Yeah.
that way.
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, a little bit.
It'll be great with the steak out here. I'm going to marinate
The
it.
snake.
Samuel L. Jackson was on one of these talk shows the other day talking about snake on plane.
Yeah.
What made you take the role? What part of the thing? Did you read it first, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't have to read it. Snakes on plane? That had to be good.
Yeah. It was a pretty good movie. You know, I liked it.
This one's done, huh? Almost. Oh, geez, silly stuff.
What's burning?
It's shut it. Put it on low if you want. Not the back. It's called barbecue. That's why people flame broil things. It always smokes.
Oh, to get the more flame.
Well, I was just gonna. That was good. Don't turn that one over. That's my hamburger. See, look, you got the.
It's all right.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to put that out the fire.
Look, Daddy started it. Move them back where they were. Too many people cooking.
Yeah. I'm not cooking, I'm just...
Observing?
Yeah.